Hi there, this is a quick unboxing of the Transcend all-in-one multi-card reader RDF9K. Okay, so I got it out of the box. As you can see, I'm just going to show you how it comes. So it's a USB 3.1/3.0 card reader, RDF9K, which is successor to the RDF8. It's meant to be quite faster than the other one. So I'm just going to quickly unpack it. It comes with a USB cable as well. So as you can see, all the specs are here. It's a TS RDF9K, which is the latest one from Transcend. And it's also compatible to the USB 2, so if you have a card which is just USB 2, it will also work. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly take it out of the box. So there you go, it's out of the box now. So just going to quickly show you. Looks quite nice and shiny black. Yeah, it's quite small actually, compared to how it shows on the internet. It looks quite big. So here you have all the available slots for the SD card, micro SD card, CF card. Yeah, so it's you can use it for multi cards. I mainly use micro SD and SD cards. You're also able to read UHS-2 as well, so these are the most powerful SD cards. Okay, so yeah, and that's the USB cable, which is pretty small. It's not that big. I have an alternative USB cable which I can use. Yep, and so this is it can read up to 260 megabits and write up to 190. I will do a further testing on that to see whether it actually meets up to the expectation, which isn't always the case. Yeah, so it gives an illustration of which cards it can read. Yeah, so that's just a leaflet which comes with it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the review, quick review. I'll do some further testing on it and see the speed of how it does work. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like it, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you. Bye bye.